we will check my TV in the hall. What is the thing and all those things. So 32-inch TV I have. So I will check it. What will be that one? Hey guys, this is made in China. So I don't want this one. So this is made in China. So I'm going to be burning it, and I'm going to be taking this thing. I'm not changing the brand also, you can see here. This is so many guys who think that when I'm strapped it. This is brand is Lion. Brand is Lion. Okay guys, all the fans are made in India, Gorilla fan. So not made in China. So no issue. Now my washing machine. It is working. Made in China. I don't like it made in China. So even though LG company, the thing is made in China. Jai India. And this sink hindware not made in China. And my sofa not made in China, Indian only. And this camera. This is not made in China. This is made in Taiwan. Panasonic camera, so made in Taiwan. So no issue. And the tripod, Sonia, made in India perfectly. You can see in internet, Sonia company, purely Indian brand. And my Poco mobile, I will check it. If it is also made in India, exactly. Thank you guys. Made in India. So manufactured in made in India. So our engineers have done hard work and have done so that thing. So now I will go to the fridge. So I will check it. If somewhere made in China, that's it. I will burn. No issue. I didn't see anywhere made in China. So I will check it back side. I am not able to see it. Anything is made in China, I will burn it. That's it. Yeah guys, made in India. So this fridge is made in India. So LG company made in India. So only washing machine now accountable to burn it. So this fridge is made in India. Hey guys, we'll go to the kitchen. Yeah, the chimney, the brand is Hindware. So it is an Indian brand. So my gas stove, this is the Vaidyam, the Tamil Nadu brand. So it is made in India only. Mixing. You can see here, the brand is Sujata. Is 100% made in India. Name itself Sujata. So no need to worry about it. I am very happy. My grinder is a Ganga. So you can see very clearly in local language Telugu. The Ganga is most famous in Andhra. Now I will check it. My electrical kettle, Snowbird. Guys, that's it. So you can live easily. You can see here only 20% items I can find made in China. So if you want, you can live with made in India and made in other country also, no problem. But today 20 soldiers died. Why? Because of you are supporting them and they are eating our money and they are fighting with us. So I am requesting you two guys. So don't need to burn everything just because of to make the video and to influence to motivate you guys. I am burning everything. From now onwards, don't buy made in China products. We have so many things. Tata products are there, Godrej is there. So we have so many Indian products, Indian brands are there. Guys, I will check my air conditioner. See here, Tata product, air conditioner. No need to burn anything. Live without your China product. See in my house, mixie and grinder and hinware and AC, everything is made in India only. Some 20% of the products only made in China. Recently I bought it Amaran battery. I will check it. If this one also if made in China, I will burn. So I will check it, guys. Yeah, it is also from Pakka, Andhra Pradesh. So Amravati and manufactured by Amaran Raja and Chittoor. So guys, we will check in first of all what are the China products are there. And I'm not saying that one you also should do same thing, but I'm telling clearly that one from now onwards, any product, don't buy it from China. We have Tata products, we have Reliance products, we have Mahindra products, we have so many products. Why you want to buy? So, okay guys, I will check my CCTV camera system. What is the brand and all those things. It is a brand Samsung only. So I will check it. Whether what is made. Yeah, this is made in Malaysia. So no issue. So this Samsung made in Malaysia. Guys, most funny thing is giving ads in TikTok ban China products. This is most funny things. And sharing the Facebook ads ban the China products in China laptop and China mobile. So many Indians are doing stupidity work. So just for likes and just for shares, don't do this kind of stupid stunts. My mobile not is China made. And second thing is I'm going to be uninstall TikTok app. First thing I have uninstalled my TikTok app, and second thing I'm not using any China mobile. Hi guys, you can see entire house only just I found that one 3 products, China products. One is washing machine, one is TV, and one is this one. So just today I am one of the COVID-19 positive patient. So China is giving COVID-19 to me also. So everyone in India we are suffering. We are suffering with money. We are suffering with work, and they are stealing everything from us, from money. And today 20 soldiers died because of we are giving money to them and we are feeding them. So that is the reason 20 soldiers died. So we have to be careful that one. From now onwards, we are going to be shop or anything, any mall. You ask the question. First question you should ask: the product is made in China or not? So if really is made in China, just stop it immediately. Don't buy it. We have so many products from India, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Thailand. So many products they are producing, not only from China. So you can buy it. So automatically now immediately you cannot stop to China products because of I know. So that is the reason. And I am not saying that one just to burn it the product. So I am stop the buying products and don't encourage China products. That's it. I am saying. So today they have given China products and they have taken money. And today they have given COVID-19. Tomorrow they will give COVID-20. Or COVID-22 also they will give. Such kind of diseases they will give. And they will spoil our economy and they will kill our soldiers. So guys, don't forget that one. Don't encourage any China products. So I can say clearly. So guys, from now onwards, no China products, guys. So, even though I am a COVID-19 positive, No one is there at my home, so that is the reason I'm taking risk. So giving message to everyone. Safety is very important, guys. That is the reason I'm pouring in water. It's happened under my observation with all the safety precautions. So I didn't disturb any public because my house is in remote area. I have not disturbed any public. So near my house I have taken permission and I asked them to take care about the safety and all those things. Safety is very, very important, guys. So I have taken all the precautions. So I'm pouring water because of unknowingly if someone going to be touch it. So just simply making video and getting the views, that is not my target. That is not my target. Even safety also I need to give it to you. Okay guys, be safe. Just careful with China virus, COVID-19. So you can call that one as a Chinese virus easily, like a Trump calling, right? Like that one you can call that one Chinese virus. So you can say clearly Chinese virus. So just careful with Chinese virus. I am also one of the victim. I am also suffering with COVID-19. So just careful, guys. So all the prestations came here and shown here. So for me it is nothing problem and nothing issue. Because of even though I lost these products, it is not a big issue because of I need to be salute to Indian Army. That is the main target, and I need to show my sadness to all the Indians. So this is the way my sadness showing to all the Indians. Again, I am telling, safety is very important, guys. So once you have done something like this one, this kind of things, so you are the responsible person to make it cool. Now my Indian flag is flying like anything. I am very happy in my home. See, you can see it, my Indian flag. Jai India. Jai Jai India. See how much happy. My Indian flag also got too much happiness. I am proud to say I am Indian. Jai Hind.